Sapodilla. Sapodilla is the plant native to Mexico, which can attend the immense health of the more than 30 meters upon maturity. The ripened fruit of the Sapodilla plant is widely consumed around the globe. It is peculiar as texture mimic to the kiwi, whereas taste towards the pears. Usually, the outer skin and the inner seeds are discarded during consumption. The propagation of the Sapodilla can be done both by the vegetative as well as reproductive means. It is the tropical plant that flourishes well in the warmer climate. Unripe Sapodilla fruit can cause the allergic reaction that necessitates its avoidance. Health benefits. Respiratory ailments. The intake of the Sapodilla fruit is associated with the soothing of the various ailments in the upper respiratory tract. The presence of the vitamin C in ample amount is the clear indication of the ability to soothe the respiratory tract infection. Bone health. The goodness of the ample amount of the minerals like calcium, magnesium, and phosphorus in the Sapodilla is useful in obtaining a healthy bone. Skin. Sapodilla is lush with the antioxidant, which produces good effects in obtaining the charming skin and to prevent several ailments in the skin. Insomnia. The mild sedative property of the Sapodilla is useful in the treatment of insomnia. Insomnia is marked by the inability to sleep and is caused by the various factors. Cholesterol. The high fiber in the Sapodilla is useful in the lower of the low-density lipoprotein, often refers to as the bad cholesterol. Immunity. The goodness of the nutrition and phytochemical innate in the Sapodilla is helpful in the boosting of the immunity. Immunity boosting is effective in the prevention of the ailments in the human body that is caused by the lack of the immunity. Constipation. The ample amount of the fiber in the Sapodilla is helpful in the soothing of constipation. This is vital to induce the smooth movement of the bowel. Antimicrobial. Sapodilla is claimed to have the potent antimicrobial property, which is helpful in the prevention of the infection in the human body. Inflammation. Sapodilla intake is associated with the soothing of the inflammation. Chronic inflammation is often the cause of the various ailments in the human body. Gastritis. The goodness of the anti-inflammatory property of the Sapodilla is useful in the soothing of gastritis. Gastritis is marked by the inflammation of the stomach lining. 5 benefits of mulberries for skin, hair and health. The concept of superfoods emerged on the radar of health and beauty experts just a few short years ago. Remarkably, in that brief period the hidden benefits of several common food products came to light. Coupled with scientific research and the trend toward organic foods, the health benefits of foods such as kale, blueberries, walnuts, salmon, avocados and mulberries have made them immensely popular. A recent study which discussed health benefits related to the mulberry plant's properties was published in the Journal of Diabetes Investigation and, in July 2014, was confirmed by top researchers in Tokyo. 5 of the most outstanding benefits of mulberries and how they translate to the improvement of skin, hair and overall health are listed below. Mulberries and diabetes. One of the most notable benefits of mulberries reflected in the study was the potential slowdown of the progression of type 2 diabetes. Among the patients surveyed, more than 60% experienced consistently lower and regulated blood glucose levels after their diet was fortified with mulberry plant products. Ongoing research also shows promising long-term effects that will heighten the use of mulberry plant products to prevent and treat some cases of chronic high blood sugar. Mulberries protect blood and organs. Patients frequently use mulberries as part of a homeopathic remedy for certain cancers, blood clots and other conditions that generate in the blood. The anti-inflammatory properties of the mulberry plant naturally reduce blood pressure, along with the risk of stroke. Kidney, liver and heart disease have also been significantly reduced with regular use of mulberries. Mulberry plants power-packed with protein. Individuals who want to slim down, decrease body fat and increase muscle mass are well aware of the benefits of consuming lean proteins as part of their diet. Like other antioxidant fruits, mulberries are rich in vitamins and nutrients. Moreover, mulberries contain 3 grams of protein per ounce. Mulberries strengthen vision and immunity. Mulberries are often included in juices because of their high content of vitamins, specifically A and C. These are proven to fight off cold and flu symptoms in the majority of the population. In addition, mulberries protect the eyes and other organs from free radicals which cause deterioration and similar damage. Adding mulberry supplements also aids in the digestive process and the proper production of a variety of bodily fluids to increase immunity. Aging skin and healthy hair. Men and women often look to mulberries to treat dry, blotchy and aging skin. Even sensitive skin can be safely rejuvenated with mulberry treatments, supplements and juices. The vast antioxidant properties remove toxins, unclog pores, even skin tone, moisturize and fight blemishes. These same properties help promote healthy hair growth, produce shine and luster, and prevent breakage and loss of color vibrancy. Whether people choose to add mulberries to their diet or personal hygiene routine is a matter of personal choice. Either method has been shown to be beneficial and effective for reducing many health concerns as well improving the overall appearance of skin and hair. 8 important foods for a healthy heart. Though staying in shape is one of its clearest benefits, following a balanced diet is also important for staying healthy. So, we'd like to recommend some great foods that keep all the organs working smoothly. This post is going to be all about the foods with properties that make them perfect for keeping the heart healthy. 1. Walnuts. Thanks to their omega-3 fatty acid content, walnuts are great for protecting the heart. They're rich in minerals such as zinc, copper, potassium, magnesium, phosphate and vitamin Bs. Having a high content of omega-3 makes walnuts an excellent and anti-inflammatory, antiarrhythmic and antithrombotic food source. Walnuts are also rich in arginine, which is an amino acid that helps relax blood vessels and reduce high blood pressure. Their nutritious saturated fats help reduce bad cholesterol while raising good cholesterol at the same time. You should eat a maximum of 30 grams of walnuts at least 3 times a week. Avoid eating too many walnuts as they are a high-caloric food. 2. Beans. Beans can provide the body with folate, which is a vitamin that helps reduce homocysteine in the blood. Homocysteine is an amino acid that plays a part in cardiovascular diseases. In general, beans can lower the risk of having heart diseases. They're an excellent source of protein and fiber, which helps lower cholesterol and triglyceride levels. Beans have plenty of vitamin D, iron, potassium and calcium. All of these benefits make beans a must for your balanced diet. 3. Apples. For a healthy heart, apples are a great fruit to include in your diet. Apples are rich in fiber, vitamin A and C, flavonoids and calcium. They also have anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Eating an apple a day can reduce bad cholesterol levels thanks to its high pectin content, which aids in metabolizing cholesterol. 4. Chocolate. Dark chocolate has endless properties that are good for you physically and mentally. Cacao contains flavonoids, which helps promote a stable blood circulation, preventing heart attacks and strokes. It acts as an antioxidant, strengthening our body. Thanks to its high iron content, cacao makes for a great food for preventing sicknesses such as anemia because it encourages the production of red blood cells. We should also mention that chocolate helps reduce bad cholesterol while raising good cholesterol levels. However, you should eat chocolate in moderation. 5. Salmon. Salmon is a food that's more than nutritious. It's rich in vitamin Bs and minerals such as selenium, calcium and magnesium. It's quite beneficial for the heart and circulatory system thanks to its omega-3 content. Omega-3 aids in stabilizing blood pressure and preventing strokes and heart attacks. In addition, containing omega-3 allows salmon to play an anti-inflammatory role in the body while preventing joint pain. Salmon also has mental health benefits as it significantly reduces depression. 6. Olive oil. Use olive oil in your dishes to reduce the risk of suffering from embolisms and infarctions. Olive oil helps prevent cellular aging, has anti-inflammatory properties and is a wonderful antioxidant. Its oleic acid content, a monounsaturated fat that benefits blood vessels, decreases bad cholesterol levels, LDL, controls blood pressure and prevents chronic heart diseases. You should keep olive oil in a dark-colored glass container in order to protect it from the sun. 7. Red wine. Red wine acts as an antioxidant, which is important for preventing cardiovascular diseases. In moderation, wine can also serve as an anti-inflammatory, protect arteries and lower bad cholesterol. 8. Oranges. Oranges, in addition to being a rich vitamin C source, contain high levels of flavonoids, which are important for reducing the risk of suffering from cardiovascular diseases. Their wealth of fiber stimulates the process of eliminating toxins and fats. In addition, this fruit is great for improving blood circulation and stabilizing blood pressure. As you can see, there are plenty of foods that you can include in your daily diet to protect your health. Of course, you shouldn't eat them in excess, as doing so could cancel out their benefits, especially if you eat too much of the foods that could make you overweight. In the example of the oranges, a single glass of orange juice boasts plenty of benefits. It's the same case with having an apple a day. Olive oil also provides lots of nutrition in small quantities. You should include it in your daily diet, whether that's through cooking or dressing your dishes.